Hi guys, this is a Mitsubishi 1999 Mirage 4G15 1.5 liter engine. This is how you're gonna take your distributor. You're gonna take the old one out and fix this one. First, you're gonna take out these two screws that is holding the distributor, and then you're gonna take out the connector. And one thing that you got to notice is you would have to leave the spark plugs wires just as it is, and then you're gonna wiggle this a little bit, and then you're gonna pull it out just like this. Yeah. So now that it is out, you're gonna look at this little boy right here, and you're gonna set it to how you put the old one out. At least get it closer to it. Yeah. So when you try to put it back in, you can get the accurate timing and get it go back in easily. So after checking this little guy, this is how you install it back in. You wiggle it a bit, wiggle it, and then you push it in. Yeah, you got it. And then you put back your two screws where you took them from. And everything fixed. Now we are down to start the car. We'll start the car right up. Mitsubishi Mirage 4G15 1.5 liter engine, distributor fix. Let's go.